The question is, consider the following species. Which one of these will have highest bond order? So let's first see Cn. In Cn, valence electrons would be 4 plus 5, that would be 9, and bond order would be half of 5 minus 0, that would be 2.5. Why? Because sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p2, and pi 2p3. This is the configuration of Cn. And in NO, the valence electrons would be 5 plus 6, 11. Configuration would be 2s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p2, pi 2p4, and pi star 2p5. So bond order would be half of 6 minus 1, that is 2.5. In the case of Cn plus, valence electrons are 4 plus 5 minus 1, that is 8. Configuration is sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p2, and pi 2p2. So bond order would be half of 4 minus 0, that is 2. And whereas in the case of Cn minus, valence electrons are 4 plus 5 plus 1, that would be 10. Configuration is sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p2, and pi 2p4. So bond order would be half of 6, that would be 3, which is the highest bond order among these four.